Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
If your Hisense Roku TV won't turn on, first ensure that the power source and all connections are secure. Try unplugging the TV for a few minutes. Then plug it back in to reset the power cycle. If this doesn't work, check the remote batteries are working or try turning the TV on with the power button on the TV itself. A blinking red light on the TV might indicate a need for a factory reset or a deeper hardware issue, suggesting contacting Hisense customer support for targeted assistance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.